Hey guys, welcome back to Doc Sophia. In today's video, we're showcasing 10 fantastic boats for sale in the US, all under $10,000. Whether you're in the market for a fishing boat, a pontoon, or something fast and fun, we've got some incredible deals to explore. So, let's get started. 1. 1996 Bay Boat 19 feet, located in Morton, Mississippi. We're starting off with a 1996 Bay Boat. This 19 feet boat comes with a trailer and is listed at just $5,200. The boat itself needs a bit of work, but the motor and trailer are in great condition. The Suzuki 115 two-stroke engine runs smoothly, but could use some annual maintenance. The trailer is a durable saltwater aluminum I-beam with new tires and lights, making it a solid package for the price. Sula 2, 1984 Hydrosport 18 feet center console, located in Plant City, Florida. Next up, we have the 94 Hydrosport 18 feet center console. This boat is ready to hit the water with a 1996 Yamaha 115 two-stroke engine that's clocked only 460 hours. It comes with a Garmin Fish Finder GPS, new spark plugs, and a fuel water separator. The hull is solid, and there are no soft spots to worry about. With new trailer tires and listed at $5,800, this boat is a fantastic deal for any angler. Three, 2016 Bennington 20 feet pontoon boat, located in Loxahatchee, Florida. For those looking for a pontoon boat, the 2016 Bennington 20 feet pontoon might be your next cruiser. Powered by a super clean 2016 Mercury 90 horsepower command thrust engine with only 293 hours, this boat runs great. It's equipped with a Humminbird GPS, Minn Kota iPilot trolling motor, and a power pole at the rear. While it needs some cosmetic work like new carpet and seat repairs, the pontoons are in excellent condition. For $5,900, this is a fantastic family boat or fishing setup. Four, 1998 Lund Pro Vi 1800, located in Columbia, South Carolina. For fishing enthusiasts, we have the 1998 Lund Pro Vi 1800 Tournament Series Anniversary Edition. Known for its durability, this boat comes with a 135 Mercury Optimax engine and a heavy-duty trailer with brakes. With 3 new batteries and new seats on the way, this boat is ready for action. It runs at over 50 miles per hour, making it perfect for serious anglers. Listed at $9,900, this boat is built to last. Five, 2000 Yamaha XR 1800 Jet Boat, located in Dacula, Georgia. Here's a fun one, the 2000 Yamaha XR 1800 Jet Boat. This lightweight boat is powered by twin 155 engines, giving it 310 horsepower and the ability to hit speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Perfect for water sports, this boat can easily pull skiers and tubers. It's listed at $8,500 and is in good condition, ready for some fast-paced fun on the water. 6. 1991 Stratos Boats 2001 Pro XL, located in Goose Creek, South Carolina. For those who love bass fishing, the 1991 Stratos 201 Pro XL is a great choice. With a 2003 Yamaha 225 horsepower engine, this boat is fully equipped and ready to hit the water. It has 2 fish finders, and everything from the water pump to the spark plugs has been recently serviced. At $8,200, this boat is ideal for anyone looking for a solid fishing machine. Seven. Flown 2003 Yamaha Jet Boat LX210. Located in Miami, Florida, the 2003 Yamaha LX210 Jet Boat is a 21-feet boat powered by twin 135 horsepower engines, offering plenty of power and seating for up to 7 passengers. With new bilge pumps, batteries, and a Garmin sonar system, this boat is ready for the water. Priced at $8,000, it comes with tons of extras, including life jackets, a wakeboard, and safety equipment. It's perfect for families looking for a fun day out. 8. 2000 Procraft Bass Boat, located in Morse, Louisiana. Next, we have a 2000 Procraft Bass Boat. This 16-feet boat is equipped with a Mercury 90 horsepower engine that pushes the boat to around 45 miles per hour. It's in good condition but needs new batteries and some fresh fuel. The trailer also requires new lights, but overall, it's a solid bass boat for $7,500. It comes with a Garmin fish finder, boat cover, and title for both the boat and trailer. Nine. 1989 Wellcraft 250 Fisherman, located in Milton, Florida. For those seeking a sturdy offshore boat, the 1989 Wellcraft 250 Fisherman is a great option. Powered by a 1996 Johnson 225 horsepower engine, this boat is built for serious fishing trips. It comes with a 1997 trailer with new tires and brakes, making it a complete package for $8,950. The boat, engine, and trailer are all in good condition, ready for your next fishing adventure. Ten. 2000 Key West 1900 Sportsman, located in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. Finally, we have the 2000 Key West 1900 Sportsman. This 19-feet boat is powered by a 2,150 horsepower Johnson 2-stroke engine and is in great condition. The floor is solid, and while the seats show some wear due to age, the boat is ready for the water. With several upgrades and a clean Florida title, it's listed at $6,900, open to offers. And that wraps up today's list of amazing boats under $10,000. Whether you're into fishing, cruising or water sports, there's something here for everyone. So, which one are you thinking about? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dr. Sophia for more great boat listings. See you next time.